a victory. I'm gonna see a victory. For the battle belongs to you, Lord. I'm gonna see a victory. I'm gonna see.
La fede non si ferma a ciò che vedi, ma abbraccia ciò che Dio ti ha
The
promesso.
Bible says the just shall live by faith, and he says it to make us understand we must live by our faith. Faith works by demonstration, by revelation, by formula.
I have assurance of eternal life. I have seen Jesus, I have heard Jesus, I have seen the power of Jesus Christ manifesting and working. I have seen the dead being raised, I see the blind see, I see the deaf hear. You see, my faith is a faith that is made visible.
'Cause I